All right, everybody, welcome back. It is BattleBox time. You guys know I love this time of the month. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with BattleBox, it is a subscription box service, and basically you purchase a certain tier, and you get that tier and everything below it. So they do have a few tiers. They have the basic box, the advanced box, the pro box, and the pro plus box. So today we'll be taking a look at the Pro Plus box. Okay, so this month we have Mission Brief 126. These are themed boxes, and this one is Campcraft. This month is all about crafting the kind of camp that works. It's not about glamping. It's about building backwoods base camp with tools that do the heavy lifting, whether you're posted up for a multi-day hunt, setting up your bug out base, or just refining your bushcraft setup. This box is here to tighten up your system. All right, so basic box. We'll start with a Grand Trunk Adventure Shelf. All right, so basically this is a small items organizer. Okay, so this whole thing kind of turns inside out. You've got a hanging hook, and you've also got a buckle that is smarter than I. And you can also buckle it and hang it like that. All right, then we have a large full front zipper here. And as you see, you got little shelves, and the shelves have this little lip here, so it'll keep anything from rolling out to the front. But yeah, that's really great. You know, if you're tent camping, or heck, if you're anywhere, you can just hang that and have yourself some little shelves to keep things off the ground, and close it up to keep everything in there. Can't tell if it is waterproof. It definitely feels waterproof. It's made out of 70D ripstop cotton. Capacity is 7 liters. Packs down to 6.5 by 6.5 by 2 inches. And when it's fully expanded, it's 12.5 by 6.5 by 6.5. So yeah, nice little hanging cocoon looking thing there. We'll definitely get some use out of that. Hate not having any kind of shelf space or anything when I'm out camping. All right, next we get the Fireball Z fire starters. So we get this box here. It is a 12-pack of eco-friendly fireballs. So really, these are just fire starters. Let's take a look at what we got here. So basically, you have this dome with a little bit of fuzz at the top. Basically feels like wax and sawdust. So that will definitely help get some fire started for sure. So they advertise that that will ignite wet or damp wood. So that's always helpful, especially first thing in the morning when everything's all covered with dew still. All right, next we have the Trek Natural Insect Repellent. So this is supposed to not have any of the crazy stuff in it. The active ingredients are geranium oil, lemongrass oil, peppermint oil, cedarwood oil, and then inert ingredients are water, polyglycerol, oleate, and glycerin. So kind of smells like a citronella candle. But it doesn't have any of those chemicals in there. So I think I'll keep this for use with my daughter. I don't mind my skin feeling like it's burning off from whatever insect repellent I'm using, but I always hate putting it on her for sure. All right, and lastly, in the basic box from a company I just absolutely love, it's the My Medic Tool Mod. All right, inside the tool mod, we've got, this is just some thermometer covers. I guess that kind of tells you what's going to be next in here. a digital thermometer, a pair of tweezers, a safety whistle, and a little pen light. So again, absolutely love that company. If you've never heard of them or don't currently have a first aid kit, a good first aid kit, I highly recommend that you check them out. They're not the cheapest of kits, but I guarantee you get some non-cheap stuff inside of them. So definitely give them a check. All right, moving on to the advanced backs. We have the Midland X Talker two-way radios, assuming that's this bad boy here. Okay, and that is what the radio looks like. They do come with clips and rechargeable batteries, and they recharge with a micro SD. So that's the only wah-wah for me, because I just like everything to be USB-C. Out there in the woods, we definitely use the mess out of two-way radios. When we go camping, we usually camp in a state park, and cell phone service is spotty at best. So a lot of times we'll communicate with two-way radios. So we'll definitely get some use out of that. All right, moving on to the BattleBox. We have two products from Flextail. First, we have the Flextail Zero Pillow. So this is the size when it's all packed up. They must have known my videos are boring, putting everybody to sleep. Okay, so it's got a nice feeling cover on there. It's kind of silky. The other thing is it has this nice little strap to help keep it in place. So not too bad to inflate on your own. And this cover does come off, so that way you can wash the cover separately. And then that is the size of the pillow. What I do like is it has this nice little support here. It's kind of thicker at one end than the other, which is good because my home pillow is like that. So now when I'm out, it'll feel about the same. So I think we have an upcoming trip to Amsterdam in a few months. I think I'll bring that with me, just because you never know what kind of pillow you're going to get when you're out and about. And that will take up no space. All right, so to go along with that, we have the mattress. Now, as you saw with the pillow, not too bad to manually inflate, but if you've been around the channel for a while, you remember a few months back we got that little pocket air inflator, which will work perfectly with these. Okay, so this mat, that's probably 6.5 feet long. Let me see if it says on here. It does not, but I'm 5'11", and it goes that high. All right, let's see what manual inflation on this is like. Okay, and as you see, you kind of got a bunch of little pillars in there. But that is definitely a good size sleeping pad. And again, comes down to barely nothing when it's deflated. For deflation, you have two different levels of your valves. So you take off that one, or the front one, as you're inflating. Take out that back side to deflate. And then we can just fold and roll that up, which we'll worry about that later. Okay, and that will do it for the Pro Box. And then we have the Pro Plus, which is the knife of the month. And we have the MTM bonded Omega Skinner. The blade is D2 steel. Overall length is 4.875 inches. Excuse me, that was the blade length. The overall length is 9.25 inches. Handle is G10. Weight is 5.4 ounces. And the sheath is inject molded. So that is the knife there. Nice smooth handle, feels pretty good in the hand. There's a full tang, and it also has a little loop at the end of the handle. Nice, good, solid belt clip that does come all the way around to lock on the belt. That handle feels really good. It's smooth and grippy at the same time. Makes zero sense at all, but in this nugget, it does. Okay, that's going to do it for this month's box, which was themed campcraft. Definitely a lot of things in there that I will put in my own camping setup. For the cost of everything, I'll put it right around here somewhere, so that way you can see what the total value of the box was. Let me know down below what you'd get the most use out of this box. For me, I think it's just going to be that shelving system. Small, portable, and definitely useful. If you have any questions about anything that was in the box, please put that down in the description box. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. And other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.